Hello, my name is Jānis Balodis and I will be your host today. Topic of today's webinar is how to launch your online store and mobile app in one day. Briefly, to those who don't know me, I will tell a few words about myself and we will immediately proceed to the presentation. I'm an entrepreneur with more than 30 years of business experience. I'm interior and furniture designer. 8 years lived in Africa, have designed interiors for 2 hotels. Both of them are now under the Marriott brand. I'm a lifetime student, learning from the world's famous business and high performance coaches. And for the last 5 years, I am developing myself different educational programs and consulting people on marketing, branding, and personal productivity. And here are pictures of my daughters and grandchildren who are my motivation and inspiration. And in the words of Simon Sinek, they are my why I do what I do. Okay, this was shortly about me, and now back to our topic and today's situation. This is the cornerstone question of today. Is this a crisis or opportunity? I understand that this is not easy time for many of us, and some are facing really challenging times. But for us entrepreneurs, I think this is the time to take up responsibility and to step up to be an example of self-control, psychological maturity, and faith in a better future. In my opinion, it is very important not to manipulate with your customers at this time, not to try to use this situation to get an extra buck, but instead to think how you can improve the lives of your customers. How can you support your customers in this hard time? How can you simplify cooperation with you? And how can you make it easy for your customers to buy your products or services online? This is just the time to thank your customers for their loyalty and find ways to make this bond even stronger. As our CEO said in one of the recent webinars, that we can face crisis with 2 strategies. The first strategy is to survive, and the second strategy is the breakthrough. In my opinion, this is the time of the opportunity and the time to sharpen your mental sword. A good friend of mine and my client, Dr. Patrick Butature, who is a very successful businessman from Africa, has a saying that we have to sharpen our mental sword the same way as the samurai does. Samurai every day sharpens his sword, even if there is a peaceful time and there is no battle ahead. But when such time and day will come, his sword will be sharp and ready. The same way, at this time, we should work on our business to be sharp and ready for today's competitive environment. Change fears and worries about the crisis to intentions and plans. Quarantine and crisis is not going to last forever. Such attitude will divert your attention to a more productive and constructive thinking. This is a time for you to think how you can build a foundation for the next period of economic growth and how you can enter into it prepared with a plan and strategy, with strong team and good systems that will help you to build a successful business and a tribe of loyal customers. Use this time wisely. This is a really great time for us to review how I run my business, how am I affecting clients with my business, how am I building relationships with my clients? Think strategically about improving your business structure in the future. Think about innovation and future trends. Learn new technologies. Learn sales and marketing, especially online marketing. In today's webinar, you will learn not only how to launch your online store and mobile app in one day, but also what tools you can use to improve your services and create loyal relationships with your clients. Many looked at online and mobile technologies with skepticism, but now it is very painful for those who have neglected technology and they can't sell their products and services online. They have to literally close their business. And yet, Amazon is making billions of dollars in online sales today, employing hundreds of thousands of new workers, and their business is booming. This is a time when you need to respond quickly and transfer your business online, where most of the customers today do shopping. For example, I'm right now mostly focusing on creating online courses and doing individual consulting sessions on Skype. If your business is still not online, then this is a time to make a wise move and to take your business online and closer to your customers, into their phones. And today we will talk about the system which will allow you to take your business online in just one day. This is UDS. UDS is a platform business model, something similar to WordPress, but with mobile app functionality, where each company can create its own company profile with online shop, its unique loyalty program, and can interact with its customers directly with the built-in messenger. All the data about your customers is kept privately, only to you. We have companies with hundreds of clients, and we have companies with hundreds of thousands of clients. But no other company on the platform has access to your customers, and they cannot interact with your customers in any way. So in an essence, it is your personal app and website that are using the powerful UDS functionality. The main incentive of UDS is to help you to provide a better customer experience for your clients. And we built an automatic feedback collection tool. It allows you to improve your products and services and therefore reduces the customer churn, which is caused in most cases by neglecting your customers' needs and desires. The bonus program, which you can use instead of straight discount, is stimulating repeated purchases and is increasing the average check amount, and therefore, of course, increasing your profits as well. We have built in automated recommendation and cross-marketing tools for you easier to get more new customers. Online store functionality is allowing your clients to buy your products and services both on desktop computer and on mobile app. Let's look at UDS features one by one. Now, okay, first and foremost, UDS is a mobile app with built-in bonus program with flexible customization, built-in recommendation functionality for your customers to easily recommend your business to their friends, online store with online order functionality, electronic coupon generator for your cross-marketing activities, automated feedback collection after every purchase, push notifications, and internal messenger for direct communication with your customers. UDS is not just one app, but a set of 3 mobile apps. First one is Users app, in other words, your customers app. The second one is Cashiers app for your waitresses, cashiers, or any employees who are operating with your payment transactions. And the third one is your Business Administrators app, where you can monitor all your sales statistics and communicate with your customers directly from your phone. UDS app is your loyalty program, and you don't need any plastic or printed loyalty cards. Here you can see the UDS app's QR code that your customers shows to the cashier or waiter before paying the bill. You can customize your bonus program the way you like, and you can change it at any time. For example, in the morning hours, you can have a higher discount rate and in the evening, a lower one. Or you can choose discount rate on particular days. You can customize different discount levels and give bonuses not only for buying your products or services, but also for different events or actions of your customers. For example, you can give bonuses for recommending your business to their friends. You can give bonuses for a higher check amount. Or you can issue bonuses for reviews on social media or participation in certain contests. You can really be creative with the way you are appreciating your loyal customers. An important notice is that accumulated bonuses by your customer in your company can only be spent at your company, not with other UDS members or anywhere else. This way, you make sure that your customer is interested to come back and spend their bonuses during the next shopping at your place. Referrals are the most effective free way of advertising. Studies reveal that personal recommendations are the top motivation for purchase decisions today. We no longer trust ads and media. And in UDS, we have built-in functionality for your customers to make it easy to recommend your business to their friends and family. Just by pressing the recommend button, they will be able to send a link for joining your bonus program to their friends via WhatsApp or any other messenger. And you can set up bonus point awards to your customers for recommending your business to their friends. After recommending your business to their friends, each time their friend now comes to buy something from you, they both will be awarded by bonus points into their account. And it gives an incentive for your customers to promote your business to their friends. This is a win-win process. Customer feedback is important for your revenue. You can't afford not to listen to your customers today. Companies that listen to their customers grow faster. Listening to customer feedback makes customers feel involved and important. Good feedback generates personal recommendations. Remember, we were talking about the recommendations in the previous slide and how easy it is to recommend your business to their friends by using UDS app. Customer feedback especially is important for startups who are in the phase of testing and fine-tuning their product or service and are looking for their ideal customers. Listening to customer feedback helps you to build loyalty for the brand. Nowadays, it is important to have an automated tool for collecting customer feedback. In UDS, we have built in such feature that where after the purchase your customer will receive a push notification to evaluate a shopping experience with you. Such feedback message most popular is amongst taxi apps like Uber or Olo cabs, where after the ride you receive a push notification to rate your experience. Actively asking for feedback from your customers and responding to their opinions creates a sort of relationship that makes the purchase process more personal. You can also exchange messages with your customers within the app, and you can send them birthday greetings automatically, which is again a nice feature that will remind about your business to your customers. And you can be very creative on the way you greet your customers in their birthdays. You can invite them to spend their birthday party at your place if you are a restaurant, or to come for their gift shopping at your place. All these simple actions have great influence on your customers' return rate and allows you to improve the quality of your services and increases your customer loyalty. Okay, next. When you register your company in UDS system, you automatically create a website with an online store functionality. You don't need to register or pay for any domain name, or you don't need any hosting services. With UDS, you get it all for free. And you can customize your domain name to match your business name. All you have to do is to fill in your company profile and your products and service description into the price list section. After filling all the details, now you can post your online store link in social media and send it to your customer mailing list. Each of your products as well will have a unique URL address, which you can use during your promotion campaigns or post it on your blog or social media, or just send it in your messenger. So just in one day, you are ready to sell your products and services online and to receive orders from your customers. Your customers already do shopping on mobile phones, and with UDS, your customers will be able to place orders directly within the app. As Steve Jobs says, you have to get closer than ever to your customers today. And to be in the mobile phones of your customers is as close as you can get. With UDS, you can create different product categories, have different pricing options for small and large packaging. You can create discounted product list and list of products which your customers can buy only by bonus points. Those could be some exclusive products or service offers that would encourage bonus point collection to your customers. With UDS, you can send promotional push notifications to your customers, and you can set several automated push notifications like birthday greetings automated replies to your customer orders and to their feedback. You can attach your promotional product images in your push notifications, which you can't really do with SMS marketing. While sending push notifications, UDS allows you to do a very detailed targeting. Segmentation is a powerful tool in marketing, and with UDS you can segment your audience by age, by gender, loyalty program level, amount of purchases, purchase frequency, last shopping date, and so on. KPI, Key Performance Indicator. This is a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a company is achieving strategic and tactical business objectives. UDS has built an automatic KPI monitoring system. In our case, main task of KPI is to motivate your employees, to keep your team always highly engaged. Some are motivated by carrots, others by sticks. With UDS, you can activate both domains. You can use percentage from the sales as a carrot and use KPI as a stick, or better, as an encouragement to your employees. Okay, traffic sources and cross-marketing, another very powerful tool. You can track your ad campaigns by creating different QR codes for each campaign. Place these codes in your coupons, your ad posts, or in printed media, and you can then monitor which traffic source is bringing you sales and which one not, and which one was a waste of cash. And this way, you can focus your efforts only on profitable traffic sources. As well, you can use QR codes for cross-marketing. With UDS, it's very easy to exchange customers with your friendly or partnering companies that have similar customers to your business, but you are selling different kind of products or providing a complementary services. If you are selling food supplements and vitamins, you can cooperate with fitness clubs. They are not your direct competition, and your customers can benefit from their services. And the same way, fitness club can direct their customers to your shop. There are two ways of doing cross-marketing with UDS. First one is just to exchange QR codes and then display these codes on table tents, on websites or social media pages. And the second one is to generate limited amount coupons with a specific deal for your partnering company. Your partner can issue these coupons to their clients as a sales bonus or reward for some action. UDS app tracks such cross-marketing coupons and QR code referrals, and this way you can monitor the mutual benefits of your cross-marketing collaboration. Let's go next. Statistics and analytics. I used to think that this is a boring part of the business, and I used to be very superficial about data analytics. Being a creative person, I always thought that the most important is to innovate, create, bells and whistles. But when I started to study marketing, I began to see the value in numbers and in the customer feedback. If you don't know your customer and their preferences, how can you expect to be successful in selling your products? With UDS, you can gather and analyze the following data: the frequency with which your customer do shopping with you, the average check amount, the age and gender of your customers, during which days your sales are booming and during which days or hours your sales are plummeting, how well your customers are referring your business to their friends. And this is a really great indicator of whether you are doing well in business in general. How effectively are working your ad and promotional campaigns, and so on. All this data will allow you to better understand your customers' preferences and the factors that affect the performance of your business. And in exchange, this will allow you to improve your products and services. Okay, let's look at how UDS works in practice. The first scenario will be when the client will visit your place, shop, showroom or restaurant. Now, when your customer is ready to pay the bill, your employee will offer a discount and to join your loyalty program. Client will make a no-brainer decision to take up an opportunity and downloads the UDS app. Once UDS app is downloaded, he can show to your employee a QR code. Remember from the picture before, show the QR code generated by the UDS app. Now your employee scans the code with the UDS Cashier app or the POS terminal, and client gets bonus points for his or her purchase. After the transaction, client gets the feedback message to evaluate the quality of the service. And of course, you will get the rating and the feedback message from the client. All the information about your client and her transactions will be registered by the UDS CRM system. Let's go next. Next scenario is when your customer finds your company on social media. She goes to your social media profile, finds the link to your UDS website. Remember, you can create your unique website name in the UDS admin dashboard. Now, customer can do the shopping at your website or just join your loyalty program and then come to visit your place physically. From there, she will go through the previous scenario. Okay, next one. The third scenario is when your customer visits your online store. There, she places the order and chooses the payment and delivery option. The order is registered in the UDS CRM system. Your operator makes all the necessary actions for order to be processed and delivered to the customer. After customer receives the order, your operator closes the transaction in admin dashboard. And again, customer gets the feedback push notification and evaluates the quality of your service. So as you see, it is a very straightforward and easy to do shopping with UDS. Let's compare now two loyalty system options. The old-fashioned way is to print plastic discount and loyalty cards, which of course costs you money. Your customers need to fill manually in application forms where they could make some mistakes or intentionally provide incorrect information. In this scenario, the only way to reach your customer into their phones is by sending the SMS messages. If of course they provided you with their phone number, which is very rare. And SMS broadcast is expensive and less appreciated by your customers. Most of us prefer to keep SMS just for some important messages from your operator or financial institutions. With the plastic card option, there is no way for customers to know how much bonuses they have collected so far and what is their status unless they visit your place. And lastly, your customers can forget their loyalty cards at home, and that could lead to some frustrating situations at your place. Yeah? With UDS app, you don't need any plastic or printed loyalty cards, and your customer data is acquired automatically. With UDS, you can send push notifications, which is much more preferred way of communicating with businesses today. And these push notifications are more functional than plain text SMS messages. Remember, you can attach the images to push notifications, which you can't really do with SMS. Your customers can see all the necessary information about your company and about your products and the state on their bonus points within your UDS app profile. With UDS, you can set automatic birthday and other holiday greetings to be sent to your clients at a particular date. And my favorite one, UDS feedback functionality and in-app messaging service for direct communication with your customers. And of course, the online order functionality, which is a mission impossible for plastic loyalty card systems. I think it is very obvious who is the winner here. Of course, UDS app. Yeah? Next, let's compare custom-built app and web store solution to a platform-based solution, which is UDS. Let's list all the elements that are required for online presence today. You need website, you need online store, CRM or accounting system for monitoring your transactions and customers, communication tool with your customers, email service, messenger or SMS service, mobile app. Actually, as we learned, preferably you need 3 apps with different functionality. If you will develop them separately, you will have the following challenges. Connectivity. Each of the systems must communicate with each other. They have to exchange data. You will have different developers. Here comes in social interaction challenges for your developers to agree with each other. Then constant updates, especially with mobile apps, where new software and mobile phone types are coming up almost every month. And your mobile app should be able to work with every new phone. Changing data on one system, in most cases, is not going to do the same change automatically onto the other system. So you will have to duplicate this information and keep monitoring such changes constantly. These are like, the pictures of your products or description about your products. Yeah? And you will have a long development time period. In other words, you will have to wait until your site and app is being programmed. Mobile app development takes at least 3 to 6 months. Updating mobile app is expensive, and you may run into a situation when your contracted programmer is not available anymore. And you will have to find somebody else. And now that somebody else will have to, figure out what your previous programmer has done. At UDS, you are paying just 30 months, literally, to have your own technical support team, which will make sure that your website and your mobile app is always up and running, and your mobile app is working on all gadgets and operating systems. We see this worldwide tendency to turn to platform business model. Even large hotel chains use Booking.com services. Many large corporations use Facebook as their main business platform. Why it is wise to change platform model app instead of personal app? For you, it is instant. In just about 30 minutes, you can have your website and mobile app up and running, and then in few hours, you fill in all the data about your company and products, and you are in business. With UDS, you have free updates. You have rich functionality. There is already a 9 million customer base, which are potential eyeballs on your business. We constantly improve UDS app, and large community of business and users contribute to making it better every day. UDS app runs on the fast and reliable Amazon servers, which ensures smooth operation of the app and web store. For your customers, it is very intuitive and easy to use. And it is one app for all their favorite businesses in one place. So you see that there are so many benefits of choosing UDS app for your business instead of all the hassle of building your own. Now the pricing. We have 3 pricing plans. The Lite option allows you to have the basic functionality loyalty program, web store, customer feedback, and limited amount of products, just 10. For some businesses, this is enough to begin with. Just imagine, for just $30, you will have your own mobile app. Best bargain ever. Then we have 2 options for the full functionality solution. First one is the start tariff at $100 a month with no strings attached. At any moment, you can stop subscription. There is no any long-term contract. This option can be great for those who have seasonal business and need mobile app and web store just for a few months a year. Then there is a smart tariff where you make one-time payment of $900 and then you will have only $30 monthly subscription. This option pays off by the end of the first year. Well, there is a 4th option where you can have smart tariff being paid in installments of $150 a month. For 9 months you do that payment, and from the 10th month your fee is just $30 a month. As you can see, even small-scale business can afford UDS system, and just in one day can have the most sophisticated and advanced mobile app technology for its business. UDS is a great tool that can help you to get more clients and make more profit. Since the main incentive of UDS is to help you provide a better customer experience for your clients, we have built in maximum tools for that. And we keep improving by adding new features and functionality. UDS is about simplicity. If you today send your customers to the site which is loaded with different information, links and menu clutter, then your customer could get lost and will never make a purchase. UDS is giving the most important and vital business tools necessary for you to sell your products or services and for customers to have a pleasant shopping experience with you. And I want to finish my presentation with this quote. Today, there is no longer competition at the product level. Today, the competition is at the business management system level. And UDS is giving you one of the most advanced sales management systems on the market today. Well, that's it from me today. If you have some more questions about UDS functionality, you can always ask our distributors, most likely the one who invited you to this webinar, to explain you more in detail every function and option of the UDS. Also, you can buy, in addition to the UDS license, implementation service from our certified UDS implementation experts. They will help you not only to set up UDS, but they can as well help to train your personnel to work with UDS and to get maximum benefits from its functionality. Give it a try to UDS and join a community of successful entrepreneurs who are striving for the excellence in their business and providing a better customer experience to their customers with UDS app. You are most welcome to join the club. Bye for now.